I've spent a lot of time and I figured out how to get AI to actually get to know me the same way if I hired a virtual assistant and I'm having a virtual assistant do something. To me, like all of my posts, I need to actually run it through one of those AI checkers to see if it calls me out on it or not. But I've had people in the marketing space, they're like, how do you write your post? I'm like, I don't know, I use AI. Like, what do you mean you use AI? I'm like, well, I feed it all my stuff, but I have an entire file that I pre-create and then I upload that where it's basically like I would have to a ghostwriter where you need to teach them about you and then I can build it off. But even at that, I had one person who's on my website as a testimonial. She's like, she talks to it like it's a hymn. And I'm like, well, it is. And I constantly will have that, okay, well, you didn't do this. I really need you. That's awesome. So it's truly that relationship. And it seems to work even with ChatGPT. That's because that's not as friendly for that as what Claude is. But I'm finding that still gets me my quality and my images are all there. And that's a combination of Claude and ChatGPT creating my images, but Claude is really good at writing my image descriptions for me now, which is really fun. But I need to jump on the bandwagon because everybody I see is just pushing out prompts. And you can't just take those prompts and get quality. It's that precursor stuff that I do that gets it where I write my content from it. But it's not a light process.